Ner mala kenyam kana azal kon barwaj ni bakaling gwasame bana rwach ke kui SPLM IO taken kaneti shi defect ke ti thiay ka kuumɛ SPLM IO chi ka kuumɛ kiir mayardit da jan bana lat gwasame an ta dana thiay ka je ata mi let tere da ka dwal ko gwad dan tikatan real kana long na me jan dana gorno bana ling kana kui kor kono to kon tame kam SPLM IO kan kuumɛ kiir mayardit ka ta dana na kiir mayardit shakur cha je ngoka je akan kono ni amre ler kana me mi jiram jadid kanor online TV channel naga jen wajin der jen nyaka nasin ko ken ko der wanti ti de kan chamala wo gosnitin gor kon ken wo de ko tin ban man le rodo gwas me ban je linkel ka do badan en cheben kaja re wich ka juba shi deni IO deni SPLM IO tishi dual tishi ko kudang bakel shi ka thiay ka korean kel denti 600 kane kon ji thiay dini kudang bakal ti chika thiay kan dial shika rodian mat kuumɛ kiir mayardit la dini SSPDF no shika thiay shimnen yana mo uda me officer chale Gabriel Bol Nuer jan jaram dana chi defect ka kuumɛ SPLM IO ka chewa ka kuumɛ kiir mayardit no thiay an wale ka shangaro ka pai ngwan ron kina dangro jan dangro wi diech ko dana cha chalat kaje wajen kel ke dini chuko kudang bakel kani de content chi defect ke thiay no waman thiay ke kani ichi kuumɛ SPLM IO che telwang ke che telot ke che tel bom ko cha dak riang ma char cha je yen chi kani lano ne chine bilong odon gwas mo so baga yik thiay no chi karade raj mo chi kana lat kani de content chi thiay kel ke lieutenant ke brigadier general Gabriel Bola Nuer kan gane chup ko kudang bakel wani de to tekan ka panyer ka panyer te ka panyer sorry panyer ke le logo ke rejaf training center wona ka gunma kur wani ti chi ka thiay chi ka kuumɛ kiir mayardit chi kan no no bigreten duno dwale kan ko do bana cha lat ke je la brigadier general Nuer chela do ne jeni ta dan te kuumɛ SPLM IO ke je gwejen wo shabu wo woniam ala chi ka telwang ki che telwang mo dong de ne le chong ka kel so ku mo bune wo ka ram mo mo dong te ka lwang chi ka kiir mayardit chabra mo che je kwen jene entama an ba te ka kuumɛ kiir mayardit jen raja dana chalat so an mo ne ku dang bakel dial ka ne chi wo ka je chana ka min lingwa chana jo la go chan je linkel men je ling.
This declaration inspires confidence in our shared aspiration and foster constructive dialogue focused on addressing the challenges our nation faces. Together we can forge a united South Sudan characterized by peace, stability, and shared prosperity. Lastly, I declare my allegiance and that of the other forces, over 500 soldiers, under my command, once again to the wise leadership of His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, Commander-in-Chief of SSPDF and Supreme Commander of all other organized forces.
Shitkama shalingo ala ken shika wo janan jala kel ke deni chop ku dang di ban ma deni dial ke deni ku dang bakel but engine point de wude shal ka Nuer jen te ke deni ku dang di karwada mo kan deni to koro ko ken wat be ka bonte gol ko ken David John Kamura jaram dan la roke ku South Sudan National Security Service jene she confirm no na ke she jegano deni ku dang bakel wi don wan ke deni SPLM IO personnel tichi defect chi ko ka kuumɛ kiir mayardit jene entama kene ba ka mat ka kuumɛ SSPDF ba ka reintegrated no bekana ji SSPDF ko ba ga nyogom nang ka kor gwad dan ta kor teten lo bi go nyen kane ko la Nuer so ko janda na latke mi jiram mo shilo yal shi latka ring ka kiir mayardit ba yin nang bu jiw nyen kane de konti la Nuer janda teten SPLM IO spokesperson wude chal ka Colonel Lam Paul Gabriel tel mi chalar ka do brana chalar ke je tel mi chagla tene ne me janda na le rode ko entama right kone kiir mayardit ko ne tungwan tin laji SPLM IO ko bika wok pin kir mayardit kui kanen wo kir mayardit chi rambe wo wonyam men lede ke liu fail ki tele mi la chong mi lede so ne ideal te ne ko ne dong chi tan dien chi ke defect kwar ka dien ente ke tin men ne ko la spokesperson pin kir mayardit kan na security ka do badana len ngaru din ke je so titi ke na ko ne go rede nywa ye ba je kwen ye ka to english ka do badana chi kan lar ke je. More than 600 soldiers from the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLM IO have defected to the South Sudan People Defense Forces. One of the defectors has said the group led by Brigadier General Gabriel Bola Nuer switched allegiance on Wednesday in several locations, including Panyir, Lologo, and Rejaf training centers, as well as Gunmakur, he stated. Brigadier General Anwar Tour reported that dissatisfaction with the SPLM IO leadership was the main reason for his defection, and he said that he is not satisfied. This decision reflects our commitment, he said, to peace and unity in South Sudan. I pledge my loyalty, he said that, and that of over 500 forces under my command to President Salva Kiir Mayardit. So we can hear his voice here.
This declaration inspires confidence in our shared aspiration and foster constructive dialogue focus on addressing the challenges our nation faces. Together we can push a united South Sudan characterized by peace, stability, and shared prosperity. Lastly, I declare my allegiance and that of the other forces, over 500 soldiers, under my command, once again to the wise leadership of His Excellency General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan, Commander-in-Chief of SPDF and Supreme Commander of all other organized forces.
David John Kamur, a spokesman for South Sudan National Security Service, confirmed that 604 SPLM IO personnel are defected. He said that their reintegration into the SSPDF was crucial for stability. This process is the key to reducing violence and ensuring security across the South Sudan. Mr. Kumuri said the SPLM IO spokesperson Colonel Lampol Gabriel was not immediately available for comment. This is the third such defection announced by the national security since tension rose following clash in the town of Nasser last month. The move comes amid heightened political tension, including the recent hours arrest of SPLM IO leader and first Vice President Riek Machar. Analysts say the defection could weaken the opposition SPLM IO while strengthening President Kiir's grip on the military. The fragile 2018 peace deal between President Salva Kiir and first Vice President Riek Machar faced challenges due to delayed security reform and political disputes. So jen shanen gwadon la Kiir Mayardit men lede shagor be malbeben jen gorno be SPLM IO be je weekend ki be jako be tel long ki be tel lot ka ta shanen kuni te ku ko rodien ku le thiay ka ja. So an tactic which use ko be Nuer community ki Nuer tribe be kanak so be Nuer be kula use special ane ko ni defa kan ko na banan koren bu kulo liu ka Kiir Mayardit so michi ken ngach kana men ere kel be ke je gwada dana chine to so jen dana go de nyaa kel wal ngai ko no to kote tenre which ka doma no ka gwada dana chi jang ka tat kan wer wew kan dial chuden mat ko be kan wer be kan kamak jara dana go rede nyaa kel an biata kamal bye bye.